Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. If you're looking for high quality salon care, but don't want to pay the prices and want to do it at home, this is exactly the hair coloring at home kit that you're going to want. The L'Oreal Feria is incredible for quality and such a great price point. I am so happy with this. I have been using it for such a long time. I am not naturally a black head of hair, but I get beautiful, shimmering, sparkling color that is a shine that looks natural and wonderful for more than just the immediate after wash. When this rinses out, it is good. You have got the permanent color that you are looking for. The kit has everything you want in it, everything you're going to need to do it yourself. This is so easy to use. It goes pretty quick after you use it a few times. I love it for my root touch-up now. It is just so easy to use. And I get the good-looking, beautiful hair that I love. I know you're going to love it as much as I do in your color. And that's my point of view.